Welcome to another quick review from Ultimate DIY. Today, guys, we're going to look at the GoLo jump starting system. This is the GP4000. That 4000 stands for 4000 amps, which means it's going to be able to jump start pretty much any gasoline engine and any diesel engine up to about 10 liters. This system is a 12-volt lithium system, and what that means is that if I put a full charge on this, put it in the case, and put it underneath the seat of my car, it'll still have a charge strong enough to jumpstart my vehicle in up to 24 months. That's pretty amazing. Now, the unit itself is going to come in this really nice case so that you can slide it under the seat, put it in your toolbox, whatever you need to do. It has all the attachment cables here. We'll go through that in a second, and the actual unit, which is self-contained. I do like the way it feels. I also like it has hand grips and I can hold it this direction, because if you hold the power button down, which is right here, it actually turns on a light. So I have an emergency light if I need it. It even has a strobe to get someone's attention, and it even has an SOS. Push it again and it is off. Now, you are going to have a 15-volt 10 amp little charging port here, and I'll show you the connection for that in just a second. You are going to have a USB-A, a USB-B, which is going to be 10 times quicker than that A for charging, and you're going to have a USB-C. Now, on this side, you're going to lift up the little weather protection port, and this is where you're going to plug in your jumper cables themselves. Overall, that's pretty much it with the unit. Let's take a look at what you get. This is going to be that first charger that I was talking about that goes in the 15 amp that just slides right in here. And this is like the old cigarette lighter type charger. You'll be able to plug things directly into that and function from there. Let's see if we can get some of these others out. They're going to have your USB, which is great for charging like cell phones. This is USB to USB-C. Cell phones, tablets, things like that. This is going to be USB-C to USB-C. This is really great for doing the actual charging of the whole unit. Now, they do not have a lightning charger in here, but you can get an adapter for that if you need that. Let's see if I can get these out. And this is going to be your actual jumpers. Now, one of the things I want to point out, it slides in real easy in that port that's on this side here, and we'll do that in just a second, but it has a boost button. So if your battery is totally dead, you try to start it first with the regular mode, it doesn't start, come out and hit the boost button and then start it again. Now, these are made with short cables, so it goes directly to your positive and directly to your negative. When you're jump starting cars, a lot of times people will take the negative and just put it on the body of the unit or the car. This one, you do not need to do that. It has a lot of internal protections on it. Just connect it directly to the battery itself. Now, one of the things I'm going to tell you I do like about this is it has copper connections. A lot of the cheaper ones I see out there are not copper. They don't last. So all you're going to do to make this work, let's slide this out of our way here for a second, not lose these. We're going to take this unit right here and flip this one back, had it backwards, and you just simply slide it in. It's very simple because you have a large side and a short side. The large side is negative, the short one is positive. You just slide it in until it doesn't go anymore. And once it's in, you'll hear a little click, and then the lights light up, letting you know that these are now engaged. Now, all you're going to do is take and put your negative wire to the negative, and you're going to go over here to your positive, and you're going to put it on just like this. So there you go. You are now hooked up and ready to rock and roll. You would go inside, you would actually take your key, put it in the ignition, and try to start the vehicle. If it doesn't start, you will come out and hit your little boost button, go back in and hit start again. Get it started, and you're able to actually pull it off and rock and roll, put it back in the case, and you're on down the road. So this not only works on cars, but it's going to work on boats, motorcycles, ATVs, snowmobiles, pretty much everything. So as far as charging devices, you can charge all types of smartphones and smart devices, computers, tablets, cameras. I mean, you name it, it'll charge just about everything on here that requires a charger. So if you're looking for a good jump starter, don't think you're going to go wrong with this one. Pick yourself up one today, and we'll see you guys on the next review.